I do go to clubs, and I thoroughly enjoy the clubs because we get to dance, and I love to dance. The objective when I go out is to meet new people and to make good memories with my friends. I think the best part about going to clubs is that it's an environment that's tailored to what I like to do. And I think the worst part is that anyone can be there and kind of ruin the fun for all the people.
May I kiss you?
Yes. Wait. It's like a safe sex toolkit.
Oh, okay.
Can I take your shirt off? Yes or no?
Most certainly, yes.
I think the success about this toolkit is it's teaching people safe sex initiatives.
Damn, okay. May I kiss you again?
Yes.
It provides you with essential things during sex like condoms and lube, and provides me with important questions to ask like STDs and consent questions.
We good?